Although the main remedy for business disputes is a lawsuit, other dispute resolution methods are becoming popular. The schedules of state and federal trial courts are often crowded. Long delays between the filing of a case and the trial date are common. Further, complex cases can become quite expensive to pursue. As a result, many business people are turning to alternative methods of resolving business arguments, mediation and arbitration, the mini trial and litigation in a private court. Now the mediation. Mediation is a form of negotiation to resolve a dispute by bringing in one or more third-party mediators, usually chosen by the disputing parties, to help reach a settlement. The mediator suggests different ways to resolve a dispute between the parties. The mediator's resolution is non-binding, that is, the parties do not have to accept the mediator's suggestions. They are strictly voluntary. Next, arbitration. Arbitration involves submission of a dispute to one or more third-party arbitrators, usually chosen by the disputing parties, whose decision usually is final. Arbitration differs from mediation in that an arbitrator's decision must be followed, whereas a mediator merely offers suggestions and facilitates negotiations. Cases may be submitted to arbitration because a contract, such as a labor contract, requires it, or because the parties agree to do so. Some consumers are barred from taking claims to court by agreements drafted by banks, brokers, health plans and others. Instead, they are required to take complaints to mandatory arbitration. For instance, computer seller gateway includes literature in its packing material that requires consumers with complaints to submit to arbitration if the product is not returned within 30 days. The increase in mandatory arbitration agreements has caused some critics to say that consumers are unknowingly giving up their right to sue. Arbitration can be an attractive alternative to a lawsuit because it is often cheaper and quicker, and the parties frequently can choose arbitrators who are knowledgeable about the particular area of business at issue. Now, mini trial. A method of dispute resolution that may become increasingly important in settling complex disputes is the mini trial, in which both parties agree to present a summarized version of their case to an independent third party. That person then advises them of his or her impression of the probable outcome if the case were to be tried. Representatives of both sides then attempt to negotiate a settlement based on the advisor's recommendation. For example, employees in a large corporation who believe they have muscular or skeletal stress injuries caused by the strain of repetition motion in using a computer could agree to a mini trial to address dispute related to damages. Although the mini trial itself does not resolve the dispute, it can help the parties resolve the case before going to court. Because mini trial is not subject to formal court rules, it can save companies a great deal of money, allowing them to recognize the weaknesses in a particular case. Then private court system. In some areas of the United States, disputes can be submitted to a private non-governmental court for resolution. In a sense, a private court system is similar to arbitration in that an independent third party resolves the case after hearing both sides of the story. Trials in private courts may be either informal or highly formal, depending on the people involved. Business typically agree to have their disputes decided in private courts to save time and money. Log on to my website asifjmead.com. Also visit my blog at asifjmead.wordpress.com. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.